Hello. Welcome and thank you for attending this online Abacus training.
This is Parthis. How are you today? Great. In the previous class, you have learned to do simple addition and subtraction up to 5. Today, we are going to practice addition and subtraction up to 9. Also you will practice to use the abacus with speed and accuracy. Do you know why speed and accuracy are important? In a running race, fastest player wins the race, right? Calculation is also like a race. You have to do the calculations faster to excel your aptitude. To get that speed, regular practice is required. I hear your whisper, ha ha he. Let's recall, to add a number, beads are moved towards the beam. To subtract a number, beads are moved away from the beam. Are you ready? Alright. As you know, to add numbers, beads are moved near the beam. Lower beads are moved up and upper bead is moved down. Let's check it again. +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. So, in the same way adding numbers up to 9 is going to be simple, right? To add 6, 5, 6. So, bring upper bead and one lower bead near beam. To do +7, 5, 6, 7. Move upper bead and two lower beads near beam. For doing +8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Move upper bead and 3 lower beads towards beam. To do +9, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring upper bead and 4 lower beads near beam. Note that move lower and upper beads together using thumb and index finger. Let's see it again. +6, +7, +8, +9. Well, let's see some examples. +1, +7. Step 1, set 1 by moving one lower bead up in one's rod. Step 2, to add 7, move 2 lower beads and the upper bead near beam. That is move 7. Count the value of the beads that are near the beam. 5, 6, 7, 8. +1 + 7 equals to 8. We will do one more example. +9 - 1. Step 1, set 9 by moving 4 lower beads up and upper bead down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Step 2, to do -1, move 1 lower bead down, away from beam. Count the bead's value near the beam. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Good, you are catching it up. Let's see another example of +8 - 2. Step 1, set 8 by moving 3 lower beads and upper bead near beam. Step 2, -2. Count the bead's value near beam. 5, 6. The answer is 6. Find out +8 - 5 + 1. Have you got the answer as 4? Cool. We will do fingering exercises for addition.
We will do few practice sums. These sums will give you enhanced practice. So do follow them with your Abacus tool.
Alright, as I set numbers during calculations, you follow with your Abacus tool. Ready? Our first one is +2 + 6 - 3. Step 1, +2. 2 lower beads up in one's rod. Notice, this middle rod is our one's rod. See the dot here? We always set this middle dotted rod as one's rod. Step 2, set 6 by moving one lower bead and upper bead near beam. Step 3, minus 3, take away 3 by moving 3 lower beads away to beam. Count the value of the beads near the beam. 5. Answer is 5. Next, plus 3 plus 6 minus 5. Step 1, set 3 by moving 3 lower beads up. Step 2, plus 6. Set 6 by moving one lower bead and upper bead near beam. Step 3, minus 5. Move upper bead away to beam. Count the beads value near the beam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Answer is 4. Can we do plus 3 minus 2 plus 6 plus 0? Set 3 by moving 3 lower beads up. 4 minus 2, take away 2 lower beads. Next plus 6. Move one lower bead and upper bead near beam. Then plus 0. No beads to be moved. Count the beads value near beam. 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Can you do few more yourself? I will guide you. Calculate plus 2, minus 1, plus 6, plus 0. Answer is 7. Calculate plus 2, plus 7, minus 5, plus 0. Answer is 4. Calculate plus 3, minus 1, plus 7, plus 0. Answer is 9. Calculate plus 2, plus 7, minus 4, plus 0. Answer is 5. Calculate plus 8, minus 1, minus 2, minus 0. Answer is 5. Calculate plus 7, minus 5, plus 2, plus 0. Answer is 4. Calculate plus 1, plus 8, minus 3, plus 0. Answer is 6. Calculate 8, minus 3, plus 1, plus 0. Answer is 6. Calculate 6, minus 5, plus 8, plus 0. Answer is 9. Calculate 9, minus 4, minus 5, plus 0. Answer is 0. Calculate 1, minus 1, plus 9, plus 0. Answer is 9. Calculate 9, minus 4, plus 4, plus 0. Answer is 9. Hope you got better finger movements with the numbers. Cool. We will move on to next interesting topic.
Alright. You already know that beads are moved away from the beam to subtract a number.
Minus means move beads away from beam. Let's see till -5. 0. -1. -2. -3. -4. -5. Let's see how to subtract from 6 to 9. -6. Move 6 away from beam. -7. Take away 7 from beam. -8. Move 8 away from beam. -9. Move 9 away from beam. Let's revise. -5. -6. -7. -8. -9. Note that index finger is used to move beads away. First lower beads are moved down and upper bead is moved up. Fine, let's see some examples. +3 + 5 -6. Step 1, set 3 by moving 3 earth beads up in one's rod. Step 2, add 5 by moving 3 upper bead near beam. Step 3, to subtract 6, move 1 earth bead down and upper bead up. Count the value of the beads that are near the beam. 1, 2. The answer is 2. Got it? Okay. Let's see another example of +5 + 4 -8. Step 1, set 5. Move upper bead down. Step 2, add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads up. Step 3, -8. 5, 6, 7. 8. Take away 8 by moving 3 lower beads down and upper bead up. Count the beads value near beam. 1. The answer is 1. Find out +9 - 7 + 1. Have you got the answer as 3? Cool. Next, we will do fingering exercises.
We will do few more practices. You follow this with your Abacus tool.
Calculate. +7 - 6 - 1. Set 7 by moving 2 lower beads and upper bead near beam in one's rod. -6. Move 1 lower bead and upper bead away to beam. -1. 1 lower bead down. Count the value of the beads that are near the beam. It's 0. So answer is 0. Next, +2 + 6 - 6. Set 2 by moving 2 lower beads up. +6. Move 1 lower bead and upper bead near beam. -6. Take away 1 lower bead and upper bead. Count the beads value near the beam. 1, 2. So answer is 2. Next, let's do +9 - 6 - 1. Set 9 by moving 4 lower beads up and upper bead down. 4 - 6, take away 1 lower bead and upper bead. Next -1. Take away 1 by moving 1 lower bead down. Count the beads value near beam. Answer is 2. Can you do few more yourself? I am here to guide you. Calculate plus 6 plus 3 minus 7 plus 0. Answer is 2. Calculate plus 8 minus 7 plus 5. Answer is 6. Calculate plus 7 minus 7 plus 1. Answer is 1. Calculate plus 9 minus 7 plus 2. Answer is 4. Calculate plus 2 plus 6 minus 8. Answer is 0. Calculate plus 9 minus 8 plus 5 minus 0. Answer is 6. Calculate plus 2 plus 7 minus 9. Answer is 0. Calculate 3 minus 1 plus 6 minus 8. Answer is 0. Calculate 4 minus 1 plus 6. Answer is 9. Calculate 8 minus 7 plus 3. Answer is 4. Calculate 7 plus 1 plus 1 minus 6. Answer is 3. Calculate 5 minus 5 plus 9. Answer is 9. Do you enjoy? I did too. Okay. We are approaching end of this module. Hope you have good time so far. Think about all the progress you made today. You learned simple addition and subtraction up to numbers 9. You daily come across many numbers, right? When you see a number, remember the respective abacus beads. You already know that each bead has 2 values. While moving towards beam plus. While moving away from beam it's minus. This is your takeaway from this class. Plus means move beads towards the beam. Minus means move beads away from the beam. As usual, I would love to see you improve your outcomes by practicing it daily. Complete next practice worksheets and gain rewards. Have a good time.